Hello, Patriots. Today we're going to talk about how to make your recording for your museum project. What you're going to do is click on this little window icon, and then you're going to go to Audacity. So you're going to click on Audacity, and you open the software. And it's actually super simple from here. Just click OK, and then this is the little button for record. You're going to click record, and then it's going to record anything you put down. So once you have recorded what you want, this is the button to start the recording. This is the button to stop. Okay. So you're going to say what you want. You can also play back so that you listen to what you said, and you can decide if you want to redo it or if it's good. Okay. Once you've done that, you're going to go to File and you're going to go to Export. You're going to export as an MP3. You are going to name it something that you remember. Now, it automatically wants to save it to Audacity, but I have changed it so it's saving it to my desktop just so it's easier for me to find. Okay, so I'm just going to save it, and mine was very short, so it's super quick to save. Yours might be longer, and they might take a little bit longer to save. So there we go. I have my MP3, so that's my audio file right there. Now, what you're going to do so that everyone can access it and hear your audio file when they go to your museum is you're going to upload it to Google Drive. So when you're in Drive, you just go to New, and then you click File, Upload. Okay, you know it's on your desktop, so just make sure that your desktop is clicked, right? And you scroll down. And there it is, and I'm just going to click on it, and you'll see that it's uploading to my Google Drive. Now, as I said, mine was super short, so it didn't take that long. Yours might take a little bit longer. You're going to click on that. You can listen to what you can listen again to what you said, but one thing that's very important is that you are going to click on these three little dots. You're going to click Share. And you are going to change this from restricted to anyone with the link. So this allows anybody with the link to listen to your audio file, so that when people are browsing your museum, they can just click on the QR code that I'm going to show you how to make and link here in just a minute, and then people will be able to listen to it. So I hope that this was helpful, but you know that you can always stop by the library